excuse me.
Yo,
Hey,
what's up,
I'm here
man?
with MC Nami carry hip hop
What's
for
up?
head. So
Yeah, no
I don't want
problem,
to waste too
man.
much of your time, so I go straight to the point.
That's right,
You are
that's
one of
right.
those who call a man a sellout, okay? Because he was
What?
doing that tracks and you said it wasn't hip hop. You know, but
What's
I
up,
see
man?
your new video. You are doing dance track and I see your album cover. You're wearing
Yeah,
suit, shasha suit, you're wearing with coat and tie.
well,
What happened to baggy jeans?
Well, what?
And BB t-shirt. I don't
Yeah,
understand.
but,
All them Timberland boots, something.
it's hip hop,
Are you
man.
now
It's hip
speaking for
hop.
Shoemaker like Robert Man?
Well, not really, but it's hip hop. We're doing hip hop. The way they do in America, man. Yo, it doesn't matter, man. Because look, okay. So what if I don't have international passport? I only have ID card, but I speak more funny than the American people, man. What's up, man? I'm hip hop. This is hip hop, yo. This is how we do hip hop, man. So what? Even if I don't make money, man. Yes, so.
Because that time you say he's not doing hardcore, he's not doing it the way Americans do it, the way you people do it. But no,
Yeah, but,
I don't understand.
it's hip hop, man.
You're doing dance, you're singing, using Yoruba, using pidgin, and all those things.
Is it
You
pop, man?
didn't do it before, but when Rocket did it, you people say he's selling out. Now you're doing it. What happened? We don't understand, you need to enlighten us the people because
the
I
thing
don't
is,
know.
man. Oh,
You
man,
say you're
yo,
doing
man,
really
it's
hip hop,
hip-hop.
but now is this one fake hip hop you're doing? Because we don't understand.
Yo,
Please
man,
let us know because we don't know.
Hip hop is hip hop, man. Hip hop is hip hop, man. Come on, man. Man must pay bills now. Man must work, man. Man, yo, leave me alone, man. Sure, man. Come on,
Wait,
it's hip hop.
hold on, Mr. MC Nami carry hip hop for head. Hold on, you don't want to talk again? Come and tell us now what's going on because I don't know. What? MC Nami carry hip hop for head. Hold on now. Hey, American Nigerian rapper.
Yo, Okada, man.
Hey, moto. You haven't got moto. Oh, yeah, wait, make a drop you. Taxi. Come help me carry this, brother.